Dictionary in Python with order I set at start. I'm making dictionary. But when I display it I saw that this dict is reversed. How to reverse it back? Or if it is true that dictionary is not sortable, what I must to use to have collection where the order of that informations matters?
Dictionary are unordered, the order is deterministic, but depends on a handful of factors you don't even think of and shouldn't care about, hash of the keys, order of insertion, collisions, etc. In Python 2.7+, use collections.orderEdict. If you must use an older version, there are various implementations Google can point you to.
If you are using Python 3.6, dictionaries are now ordered by insertion order. This URL. Otherwise, as other people have said, I would recommend collections.orderEdict.
Your dictionary is not quite reverted. It is sorted partly according to the hash of UPs. You can't change this order, not without using a custom dictionary. In Python 2.7 or later you can use an ordered dictionary, collections.orderEdict. In earlier version you can use the following recipe. Also have a look at this question. What is the best ordered dict implementation in Python?
Systems versus